Hello everyone in YouTubeville and WashTube University. I got a new microphone, 20 bucks from Amazon. This little lapel mic that I'm actually putting on my hat because I think when you put it on your lapel or your shirt, I think it's going to get a little scratchy. It does have a wind screen there. For 20 bucks from Amazon, I'll put a link in the description. You get 2 microphones, the receiver, and 3 clips. 20 bucks shipped to your house. I'm going to walk backwards all the way to my fence from the chair where the camera is 60 feet. This is about 10 feet, maybe 12 feet. As I get through here, I'm probably at about 20 feet, just a little bit more. I'll continue to walk, avoiding landmines from the dog, and I'm probably 35 feet or so at this point. I think this will work great for surface cleaning in particular. Been great to have today. The surface cleaning would, I think, would be well because it is supposed to have a noise reducer, a background noise reducer. I'm at 60 feet at this fence here. Yes, I'm working on losing a little bit of weight. I may video some of that, not the actual weight disappearing because that would be weird, but my journey. Got to do something to get into better shape. So what am I, 30, 35 feet? About 30 feet at this point. This is the halfway point. So when you're using an iPhone in particular, I can't speak to any other kind of phone, but to the iPhone or for the iPhone, when you zoom in, it changes the sound quality. When you turn the camera in one direction to the other, it changes the sound quality. So this little microphone, I think, is going to work great. 20 bucks. I don't know that you can go wrong with that. So again, I'll put a link in the description. I think I'm going to dig it. I really do. So obviously, I'm probably still going to have my phone with me, so it doesn't really matter. But this is great for, again, those surface cleaning jobs, or when you're doing, say, before and after videos, where you're going to wash a wall and you want to set the camera over here and you're wanting to wash the wall and kind of get that time lapse. Maybe not so much time lapse because you couldn't do audio with that, but still, when you're wanting to get those live shots of washing, really think it's going to be good. So can't go wrong with this. A lot of reviews on YouTube about this particular microphone. Jeremy Messer, Kentucky Wash Pros in Bluegrass State, he turned me on to this, and I don't even know if he's even tried it yet, but he told me he was going to order it. So of course, I got to be like everybody else and order it, and I think I'm going to dig it. It goes perfectly right here on my hat. I think I get to surface clean it again tomorrow maybe, so I'm going to try this and see how it works. Hope this helps. I need an affiliate link for this so I can get paid. Mike, the fresh rinse, and I'm out.